you're leaving money on the table. If you're a veteran or a service member who bought a home with a conventional or an FHA loan, you could be overpaying. Let's fix that. Lots of veterans buy homes with FHA or conventional loans, and oftentimes it's from bad advice from a realtor or a lender. Maybe it was faster, maybe your lender didn't explain to you your VA options, maybe they didn't know how to do a VA loan well, maybe your realtor thought the other loans are superior. In any case, you're finally in the home. You bought it, but now that you're in the home, you still have the power to refinance into a VA loan, and the savings can be huge. I'm Jason Wood, the VA loan guy, and doing VA loans is what we do all day, every day. And in this video, we're going to walk you through why and how to refinance from a non-VA loan into the VA loan that you earned. So why refinance into a VA loan? Well, the VA loan has some real advantages. No monthly mortgage insurance, unlike FHA or low down payment conventional loans. Number two, competitive interest rates, oftentimes half a point lower than a conventional loan. Flexible rules around credit and debt to income ratio, and options to pull equity through a cash out refinance that other loan programs don't allow you to do or don't allow you to extract as much cash. Many veterans who switch to a VA loan save hundreds per month. And with home values up in many states, it's a smart way to tap into some additional equity. So who's eligible and when can you do it? To refinance into a VA loan, you need to, number one, have VA entitlement, even if you didn't use it when you bought the home. Get a Certificate of Eligibility or COE, we can help you with that. Occupy the property as your primary residence, has to be your primary residence, and you must be past any waiting period, usually 210 days or 6 payments from your first payment due date before you can refinance. Typically, it's the 7th month you've been in the home. You can go from FHA to VA, conventional VA, USDA to VA, or even cash out a VA loan, VA to VA. So most people think you have to use the VA loan when you buy a home. But here's the truth. You can tap into your VA loan benefit even after the fact. As long as it's your primary residence, it might be one of the smartest financial moves you ever make. A little while ago, I helped a veteran who bought the home with an FHA loan per the advice of his realtor, but we refinanced him into a VA loan. We dropped their monthly mortgage payment by $400 and eliminated the mortgage insurance and lowered the rate. Using your VA benefit after buying is like unlocking a bonus level on a video game. It was there all along, you just needed the key. So what are the pros and cons of the refinance? Well, the refinance you're looking for is called the VA cash out refinance. Even if you don't take cash out, that's what it's called. So here's what it offers. You can refinance up to 100% of your home's value in most cases. There's no mortgage insurance, lower interest rates than most other loans like conventional and even FHA sometimes. So what do you expect? Well, you should expect going to be full underwriting. All the documentation, all the paperwork, a VA appraisal. You have to pay the funding fee unless you're exempt, which can be financed into the loan. And it's not the same as the VA IRRRL, the interest rate reduction refinance loan. That's for people who already have a VA loan or want VA to VA simply to reduce the rate. This refinance, the VA cash out, is designed to switch you over to the VA loan from either the conventional or the FHA or the USDA to help you save. So if you didn't use your VA loan when you bought the house, that doesn't mean you missed out. You can still switch, you can still save, and you can still tap into the benefit that you earned. We created a VA refinance guide to help you compare options, estimate savings, and start the process. You can download it right now. The link's below, or you can go to valoanguy.us/refi guide. And if you want to put together a custom plan for your situation or just have some questions maybe we didn't talk about in this video, my team and I would love to have a strategy call with you. So just click the link below, schedule that, because when it comes to your home, knowledge is really powerful.